Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make mint dressing. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need about 1/4 cup of fresh mint leaves, 1/4 cup of good quality extra virgin olive oil, and the juice of half a lemon or 1 small lime. Don't forget 1 small clove of garlic, 1 teaspoon of honey, and a pinch of salt and black pepper to taste. Freshness is key for a vibrant dressing. Now, let's get started with the preparation. Begin by thoroughly washing your fresh mint leaves and then finely chopping them. Next, take 1 small clove of garlic and mince it very finely. A garlic press works wonderfully here. Finally, zest half a lemon or 1 small lime, then squeeze out its fresh juice. These steps lay the foundation for a truly flavorful dressing. It is time to bring all these wonderful flavors together. In a small bowl, combine your finely chopped mint, minced garlic, and the fresh citrus juice. Gradually and while continuously whisking, slowly pour in 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Continue whisking until the dressing is well emulsified. Finish by stirring in 1 teaspoon of honey, a pinch of salt, and a dash of freshly ground black pepper. Your delicious homemade mint dressing is now ready to enjoy. This versatile dressing is perfect for drizzling over fresh salads, grilled chicken, or roasted vegetables. For the best flavor, allow it to sit for at least 15 minutes before serving, letting the flavors meld beautifully. Any leftover dressing can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.